Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon juice with Yakult. First, gather your ingredients: fresh lemons, a bottle of chilled Yakult, and your preferred sweetener like honey or sugar. You'll also need a juicer or reamer and a glass for mixing. Making sure everything is cold will give you the most refreshing drink possible. This simple recipe is quick and delicious. Now, let's get that fresh lemon juice. Take 2 to 3 lemons and cut them in half. Using a citrus juicer or reamer, extract about 1/4 cup of juice into a separate container. It's important to strain the juice afterwards to remove any seeds or pulp, ensuring a smooth and pleasant drinking experience. This step is key for a clean taste. With your fresh lemon juice ready, pour it into your serving glass. Next, gently add 1 bottle of chilled Yakult. Now for the sweetness. Stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey or sugar, adjusting to your personal preference. Mix everything thoroughly until the sweetener is fully dissolved, creating a perfectly balanced and delicious beverage. Give your lemon Yakult drink a final good stir to ensure all the flavors are perfectly blended. If you like your drinks extra cold, feel free to add some ice cubes before serving. This refreshing and tangy beverage is now ready to enjoy. For more great deals, and to check out the Owala water bottle, remember to look for the links in the description below. It's a fantastic way to stay hydrated throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.